Thinking outrageously, I write in cursive. I hide my bed with the lights on the floor, wearing 3 layers of coats and leg warmers. I see my breath on the face of the door. Oh, I am not quite sleeping. Oh, I am fast in bed. There on the wall of the bedroom creeping, I see a wasp with her wings outstretched. North Savannah, we swim in the Palisades. I come out wearing my brother's red hat. There on his shoulder, my best friend is bit 7 times. He's watching his face in his hands. Oh, how I meant to tease him. Oh, how I meant no harm. Touching his back with my hand, I kiss him. I see the wasp on the length of my arm. Oh, great sights upon this day, hallelujah, wonders bright, rivers, lakes, hallelujah, we were in love, we were in love, Palisades, Palisades, I can wait, we were in love, we were in love, Palisades, Palisades, I can wait. I can't explain the state that I'm in, state of my heart. He was my best friend. Into the car, from the back seat, oh admiration, falling asleep. All of my part, day after day, I can tell you we swaggered and swayed deep in the tower, the prairie below. I can tell you the telling gets old, terrible sting, terrible storm. I can tell you the day we were born, my friend is gone, he ran away. I can tell you I love him each day, though we have sparred, wrestled and raged. I can tell you I love him each day, terrible sting, terrible storm. I can tell you